Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the sciTE text editor on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you how to install and set up software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is set up the Linux development environment. So I'm going to go over to my launcher here and click on the launcher, and then I'm going to search for my settings. Once I find the link to my settings, I'll click on that and open up my settings. And on the left here, I have a bunch of tabs. I'm going to go down to the Advanced tab and click to expand that. Once that expands, I'll see this tab Developers. I'll click on that, and then I have this Linux development environment here. I'll click Turn On, and then Next. And it's going to give me a username based off my email. I think this is the only time you can change your username, so if you really don't like it, you might want to change it now. The disk size can be changed at any later point, so I'm just going to keep that one as is, and my username is fine. I'm going to keep that as is, and I'm just going to click Install, and I'm going to let that go ahead and install. That'll take a few minutes. I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I can close the settings now, and I'm going to maximize this terminal so you can see what I'm doing and increase the font size. I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt update and then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt upgrade with a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to let that run. That'll take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed and updated, we can install the sciTE text editor. To do that, I'm going to type sudo apt install and then sciTE and press enter. Once that runs through, we can go to our launcher here and we can search for sciTE. And we see the sciTE text editor. We can click on that. And here we go. We have the sciTE text editor installed. If you want to keep this pinned to the taskbar, you can just right click and pin. If this video is helpful to you, please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people. Thank you.